So, you're ready to start your GED journey, but not sure how long it will take. The GED program is designed to work for your schedule. You can prep at your own pace around work and family commitments, and test scheduling is flexible. On average, students achieve their GED within 3 months. Some finish even faster. Take these steps to get your GED. Start by signing up for your free account on GED.com. From there, you can personalize your path by choosing the best study options for your learning style. There are many ways to prep for the GED. From mobile-friendly practice questions to online courses or in-person classes near you, there's a perfect fit for your schedule and budget. You'll need to pass 4 test subjects to get your GED: math, science, reasoning through language arts, and social studies. They can be taken all at once or one at a time, whatever works best for you. Before scheduling your test, it's a good idea to take the GED Ready official practice test to find out how likely you are to pass so you can feel confident for test day. Take the first step at GED.com.